Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today we are going to do a cook with me video. So here is my tomato and my pepper. Yeah, I want to start blending it. Okay, so get right into the cooking. So I'm going to be making tomato stew. Okay, that's what I'm going to be making today. So sit back, relax and watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming to support us. Yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you, and if this is the first time here, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Okay, I just hope you guys enjoy this interesting cook with me video, and I'm going to talk to you guys later. Yeah. So right now I want to start cutting the meat. Yeah, I want to cut it some of the meat that the seller did not cut well the size I wanted it. Okay, while my tomato is still boiling, I'm going to go ahead to start cutting them into smaller, into the size that I want. Yeah, not all, but just some of them that are still big, so I have to cut them into the size that I want. So that is what I'm doing now. Okay, I just hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, subscribe to our channel for more juicy and interesting content, and to our amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the amazing support, and if you're just joining us, thank you, you're welcome, and I promise you you're gonna love it here. Okay, so let's continue with our cooking. So right now I'm done cutting and washing the meat. I've sieved the tomato because it has boiled the way I wanted it. I've sieved the tomato, and I'm going to use the pot to cook my chicken. Yeah, I'm going to use the water I sieved from the tomato to cook the chicken, so nothing is going to waste here. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start spicing my meat. It's not my meat, god forbid, god forbid. I'm going to go ahead and start spicing the chicken because random. Yeah. So guys, as I'm frying my meat, let me gist you guys, it's not my meat. I've forgotten again, god forbid, it's not my meat. So I went to buy curry leaf because I was passing one store the other day, the week I cooked this tomato stew, and I saw curry leaf. I said, oh my god, thank god I want to cook stew. As I was coming back, I didn't pass through there. I went home with taxi, so I couldn't buy it that day. So the other day I went back to go and buy the curry leaf where I saw it. As I got to the shop, I did not see, like, I was so confused. It be like say, it just be like say I no can't see the curry leaf again. I can't see this mint leaf. I can't perceive them, I can't smell them. So sorry, as I'm using pidgin, I just wanted to like express how the thing do it that day. As I smell the leaf, it can't be like say the thing they smell like curry leaf. It can't be like say the thing they smell like curry leaf. On another thought, I smelled it again. The thing be like say they smell like mint leaf. I said, what is this? The worst part is I don't even have outside internet that day, so I couldn't like google the picture of curry leaf. Let me not make mistake. I said this thing na curry. I carry and reach house. As I won't cut them, I can't look this and say, is this thing curry leaf that I know in Nigeria? Is this thing curry leaf? I was confused. I was like, I didn't even want to call my husband because he's going to laugh at me. I decided that I'm not going to waste this mint leaf. When I googled and saw that this is actually mint leaf, and this thing was smelling so nice, the flavor was all over the place. I was like, no, do you know what? I have to cut and wash that mint leaf. I used it and the stew came out so nice. Oh more, the taste of this stew came out so nice. Like, I was like, na first trial, I never believed. On the second thought, I would never like think of using mint leaf to cook stew. Okay, so it came out so nice. So that's the gist I wanted to tell you guys. Like, this two leaf just confused me that day, but it's well. Thank God it came out so nice, and the flavor was so sweet in the stew. Yeah. So guys, that's the gist though. And yeah, our stew is ready. Like, the stew is popping on our soup. So our stew, our Nigerian stew, Sunday stew. This is Nigerian Sunday stew in a Nigerian home. Okay. Do your rice, white rice, biawa. Carry your white rice and come. Our stew is ready to be served, to be munched, to be boreal. Okay. I don't know, I just love making our voiceovers these days. I don't know why. Let me just eat, and I'm going to talk to you guys later or tomorrow. Okay, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Hope you're having fun. Hope your weekend is going well. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys later. See my glowing face, even though I'm not using the front camera, but I know I'm glowing. Okay. Okay guys, let's eat. I'm about to like mount this one now. Let's eat, guys. So guys, this is us later in the evening. Ignore these scatter things. Oh, you could be there today. Oh, you're there today. Oh, can get there scatter yenina. So guys, I'm here watching movie. Yeah, I love Korean dramas. I don't know if anybody loves Korean dramas like me. This is almost 9:30 to 10. Hi, 누구한테 말할 수도 없잖아. 믿지도 않을 거. 쟤는 어떻게 알고 싶은데? 알아내야지. 이건 이분을 만나기 전부터 이미 내 사건이니까. 생각보다 더 많이 유명하지. So guys, I'm here. Oh my god, the weather is so hot. But I opened this window for breeze to be coming in from here, okay? The weather is hot. I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm hungry. I'm just going to go and eat apple because I cannot eat anything else this night. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya. 난 대한민국 경찰이니까.